So most people have heard of the term alimony, and it's a common question we get when people call in of what am I either going to have to pay in alimony or what can I potentially get in alimony? Now, what people don't realize is there is a lot of different types of alimony. The most typical one that you'd hear of is called general alimony. Surprise, surprise. And what that basically is just a calculation that goes in from the higher earning spouse to the lower earning spouse. You do a little math and then you get that amount. There's alimony that you can get to basically help you get back up on your feet if you need to get an apartment or you need to go back to school. There's a certain type of alimony you can ask for to help you during that time. Let's say during your marriage, you put yourself in a situation to help the other person advance their career. And you've paid for them to go to school or do something that advances their career that you're not going to get the benefit from after the marriage. That is another type of alimony that you can ask for to basically be reimbursed for what you put into their career that you're not then going to be able to benefit from. So there's a lot of different types. Make sure you ask your attorney about what you could potentially qualify, because more than likely there's something in there that you can look for. So if you're hoping to be able to get alimony, or maybe you're on the other side and you're afraid that you're going to have to pay out alimony, the things that you can look at are really, what is the difference of your income? The closer the income is, the less likely that alimony is going to be awarded. The longer the marriage is, the more likely alimony is going to be awarded. So there's so many different factors. In fact, I believe there's close to 20 of them that a judge looks at to determine whether alimony will be awarded. But if you feel that you want to keep the door open, you basically just, when you file that complaint for divorce, there's a little box that you check off that says, I'm looking for some support. And as long as you've done that, you've opened the door to ask for it.